Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
Great, Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Ali Iman.
How
How
old
old?
How old are you?
I am 6 years old. How old are you?
I am 6 years old. What do you do?
I am studying music at Marcus Garden, Pulur.
What are you studying there?
I am studying Quran memorization and four languages.
Did you like studying Quran?
Yes, I do. I love learning Quran.
I like to. My favorite surah is Suratul Fatiha. What is your favorite surah?
My favorite surah is Suratul Ikhlas.
How long have you been studying there?
I have been for 3 years.
What do you like after Quran classes?
I like to play with my friends and reading Islamic stories.
That's great. See you later. Nice to meet you.
See you later. Nice to meet you too.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.